Good morning. Today we're checking out the Lite action camera. This is been out for a little time now, but now it's getting to the point where it's super cheap, super affordable for most people to get. I got it on a deal where you got a free headband. This goes on your head. It's a GoPro mount. Came with the kit. And then I got the camera itself. Here it is. I've already dropped it once, but it's still running strong. The lens is fine. Something to note, it did not come with a case. It does come with a battery though. It also does not come with a micro SD card, which is pretty standard. I've got a 64 gigabyte micro SD in there. Speaking of the battery, that's one of the reasons why this is superior to the GoPro. It advertises something about 130 minutes per battery, which is incredible. Really good stuff. Really quick, it's just a really simple box. I did rip it up quite a bit. The camera comes in there like that. Pull the camera out. You have some stickers, manual, a really short USB to micro USB cable. So on the front you have one LED indicator there. That's on, and it beeps when it's recording. So if you're looking directly at it, you could tell whether it's recording or not. There we go. And you can see it a little bit better. 2-inch LED screen. It does go quieter. You could change different video modes. So I just stopped recording. As far as video modes, it is touchscreen. You can change the resolution. You could do up to 4K at 20 frames. You could go a little higher than 1080 at 30, 1080 at 60. You can also go 1080 at 30 as well. Back to resolution. And then you can go down to 720 at either 30, 60, or even 120 frames per second for that super buttery footage. So you can put the timestamp on so it shows the picture. Auto low light only works on some of the lower resolutions. EIS is the electronic image stabilizer. So it's going to get you those shots when you're on a mic. Definitely put this to low. High just really muffles it out. Do not do high. Okay, video, image, and then your image quality and image parameters for actually taking photos. And then within the settings, you can hook this up via Wi-Fi. You can format your SD card. There's some other camera settings that you can get into, like turning off the beeping noise, how bright you want the LED. Like this LED goes brighter, so there's full brightness. Beeping, you can turn those beeps all the way off, so now it doesn't make any noise. And then you can change the LED lights. You can turn them all off. So now that they're all off, even though it's on, there's no LED at the top there or right there. So the bottom does have a tripod mount in it and has a button to get to the battery. Nothing on this side. Microphone or speaker, microphone, and button. Display and charging port is a micro USB. Lens, LED, branding. And it's very thin, similar to a GoPro. So there you have it. That's the Lite. Now let's check out some footage.
So if you hear me talking like this means that I'm not using the microphone on the camera, but if you hear it, it's actually using the onboard camera. As you can see, low light is not that great, but it's also not horrible.
Geyserville, California. Checking out so if you're in the sun, driving towards the sun, and then looking with the sun brightening the way, and we're accelerating 45 miles per hour, and we're about to merge on the freeway. Look at that view though, nice. So 60 miles per hour, 75, 95 miles per hour, 120 miles. No, I'm just kidding. We're only going 70. All right. So here we go. Look at that view over there. Really nice. Wow, it has an unlock screen. It has that 2-inch display. What do you think about that 2-inch display, Miss S?
It's fine.
Oh, nice. Downtown Healdsburg. There's some sun. There's out of the sun. There goes a bus. Now this is me running test.
Here's a nice little time lapse in Starbucks. The lighting isn't that bright. You can see a lot of the sun coming in from the window, and just enjoy. Oh, look at that view. Nice. So here in Santa Rosa, they've got these little bike repair stands, and it's all metal, so nobody could steal the pump. It's got a tire pressure gauge on there, air, tools, wrenches. Pretty cool. So there you have it. Great budget-friendly camera with great battery life, great day. I'm gonna mess a little bit more with the image stabilizer, but this is definitely a contender, and it definitely puts some nice footage out. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.